Headed out to do some plane spotting at Paine Field today in Everett, Washington. I'm going to drive you past the Boeing factory and then out to the airport. Looks like the sun's coming out, should be good, so hang on. Alright, we got our spot here. We're at Paine Field. You might have seen as we pulled in, a KC-46 tanker was doing a touch and go right as we came in, so it should be coming back around in just a minute. We're hanging for that one. It looks like it's pretty windy out here too, which it always is, so I'll get my coat on.
Charlie, how do you read?
Alright, KC-46 incoming behind me. Wind is blowing. Lots of other plane spotters out here. Some other YouTubers probably. This guy behind me. Taking some pictures and video. Good Friday out here.
We'll do this one more pattern, full stop. Copy all, man. 133.65. Other things, my frequency 123.9, 4,000. Climate, that's 23.9.
Woo! Cold out there. Back in the truck to warm up for a second, but we heard him on the radio say that was a touch and go. Gonna do one more turn in the pattern and then full stop on this next landing. So one more of the Boeing KC-46 tanker coming in. All right, just coming down to the very end of the runway. I'm gonna get a little different perspective here. It's kind of a cool spot, and he's coming in for his final turn here. Coming in pretty hard, so this should be pretty good. Another 767 coming in. I should have mentioned before, the KC-46 tanker is based on the Boeing 767. 767 is really like the workhorse of the Boeing fleet. You got the KC-46 tanker, and then you got FedEx and UPS buying it still. Amazon flies it. Many are being converted into cargos these days, so I think this one might be FedEx, but we'll see. Okay, that was really cool. That's not a touch and go because it didn't touch the runway at all. That's called a low approach. All right, pretty good day plane spotting out here. We saw the KC-46, a 767 FedEx cargo plane. Both really are 767, so screaming in and out of here on a windy day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.